Hey guys, welcome to Live Blogger. Today in this video we are going to discuss how you can start blogging as a career and is blogging is a good career option or not. So let's get started. In this digital world, most people have desktop or mobile phones with them, and there are many ways to earn money online. Blogging is one of them. So if you want to start blogging as a career, then you must have a laptop or desktop with you. Anyhow, you can do blogging by mobile phone as well, but it won't be much effective. In simple terms, it won't give the results you want. So having a laptop is must. To start blogging as a career, you have to focus on this 5 points which I'm going to discuss further in this video. Trust me, if you apply these 5 points, no one is going to stop you from being successful in blogging. Number 1, do not follow anyone. Don't follow anyone in blogging. Instead of following, learn from them. If you'll follow anyone, they will try to make money from you, and rest no one shares their secret of earning. So I'll suggest not to follow anyone. Learn how they are posting content. Have a look at their website structure and navigations, designs, etc. These all things will help you and give you an idea of your website structure while you will create your own. Number 2, work on a single domain. If you are a newbie and you're working on 3 to 4 domains, then your hard work gets divided into 3 to 4 parts. So instead of that, you should work on a single domain and put all your effort into a single website. This will increase the chances of your success in blogging. Put your 90% effort into keyword research, selecting a perfect niche, and 10% effort in choosing a perfect domain name, because domain name shows your professionalism. Number 3, be patient. I have seen many newbies start blogging, and for 4 to 5 months they do a lot of hard work, but still they don't see the results and eventually they quit. In blogging, you'll require a lot of patience. It takes time and effort to set up a blog, index it, and make it popular among people. So be patient, give your 100% on attracting visitors. Once you start getting good traffic, then you can apply to AdSense and start earning out of it. But again, remember, it takes a lot of time and effort to start earning through a blog. Number 4, be unique. When it comes to content, you always have to be unique in this part. Do not ever copy paste any other blogger's blog, because it will directly impact your ranking and your blog may get suspended. So do some keyword research and post unique contents consistently, because consistency is the key to success in blogging. At the same time, if you're buying a plugin or a theme for your website, then you must buy the original one, because a cracked version can damage the SEO or it can harm your website in many ways. So always buy original stuff. Number 5, ad networks. Once you've created a website, keep posting unique content, and as soon as you start getting huge traffic, get your AdSense account approved. Or you can place ad based on your niche. These two are the primary methods of earning in blogging. If your content is related to any product reviews, then you can start affiliate marketing. Blogging can be a great career option if done perfectly. Many people in blogging get less traffic, but their earning rate is very high just because of their niche and strategies. If you also come up with some new strategies, then no one can stop you from succeeding in blogging field. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you want us to keep posting such useful content related to blogging or YouTube, then please do not forget to leave a like, comment, and do subscribe to our channel.